Hi Lakeshore friends, Megan here. Welcome to today's tips and tricks for at-home learning instruction. I know from my teaching experiences that when teaching kids something new, they don't always grasp the concept right away. It takes a lot of support, practice, and scaffolding before they're able to do it on their own. Think about it like teaching your child how to ride a bike. You model how to ride the bike. You let them practice while you hold on to the handle, running alongside, until they feel confident enough for you to let go and they do it on their own. It's exactly the same when you're teaching a new math or reading skill. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 steps to help your child get the most out of their at-home instruction. So when teaching a new skill, first introduce the skill. Spark their interest. Depending on the skill that you're introducing, you can do this many different ways, like reading a book on the topic, or just discussing your child's prior knowledge or what they already know about the subject. Step 2. Model the skill so your child can see it in action. This is the perfect opportunity for incorporating hands-on learning or manipulatives. For example, if you're teaching a new math skill, use items around the house as counters to help you model the concept. Step 3. Encourage your child to practice while providing guidance and coaching. Allow them to make mistakes, discuss what went wrong, and talk about how you can fix it next time. Encourage them to keep trying until they have a better understanding of the concept. Finally, don't forget positive reinforcement. Building your child's self-esteem and confidence in the skill will give them the tools they need to be successful and to do it on their own. Here's a quick recap of these steps and what it might look like if you're teaching your child subtraction. Step 1. Introduce subtraction. Talk about what it means to subtract or take away. Give an example. There are 2 of us in this room. If I leave the room, how many people are left? That's subtraction. Step 2. Model solving subtraction problems using manipulatives such as cereal or beans. You can even draw circles and put X's over the circles that you're taking away to represent the problem. Step 3. Give your child subtraction problems to practice with your guidance. Allow them to use the manipulatives or draw pictures to solve the problems. Step 4. Continue to reinforce and provide positive feedback until they can subtract on their own. So there you have it, just like teaching your child how to ride a bike. I hope these tips were helpful. Happy learning!
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.